welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So we are continuing this playlist called QlikView, and we already have 7 videos in total there. So if you haven't watched this video, please go and watch it, and then you can continue it because that can give you more clarity on what I am going to talk about. So today's video will basically about inline loading. So what is inline loading? So if you haven't watched my video about script editor, you can go and watch about script editor and how to load the dataset first. And without without delay, let's directly jump to a blank space. So this is a blank space. If you don't know how I get this blank space, just go and create a new. So if you just create a new, you will get a blank space here. Just press Ctrl E. If you press Ctrl E, it will open your edit script. If you doesn't want to use the shortcut, there is an icon here. You can see the pencil icon, so you can directly click this pencil icon and it will do the same for you. So what is inline script? So inline script is basically means when you create your own table inside this QlikView only. So I know it doesn't make sense totally, so what we can do is just go to this insert tab and insert that this load statement. So if you go, there is two options: load from file. So if you have to load from file, you can directly use this like table file, QlikView file, web file, field file. So you can use this sections, and if you want to connect from SQL Server ODBC connections, you can do it from here. But if you want to write some like small table by yourself, just like click this inline function and you can define by yourself. Just double tap this column name. You can give like name, column name here, like role. I just want, like, for example, we are giving just roll number, yeah. So let's give name as Ravi. Okay, let's give capital R, Ravi, Anil, it's Arti. So yeah, and roll number you can take like 1, 2, 3. So this is how you can load your own table. You can create a small table by yourself so that you can connect to the main table. So this is called inline loading. So if you click OK now, and it will, the QlikView will create a code for you. What it is doing is it is loading star inline function, and it is giving the column name as name and roll number, and inside this is loading. These are the parameters like Ravi 1, Anil 2 and Arti 3. So it is doing the same. If you do same and if you click OK, and what you can do is just reload it. So what you can do is just go here and you can use this function called reload, or you can use this by from here itself. This is also reload button. If you click this reload, it will reload your dataset. Now what you can do is just go to new sheet object. So I will be in the further video, I will be talking about like these are the important ones. So I will going through those some important sheet objects so that it will be very clear for you. So what I can do is I can just take one table box, and I will take all of them like name and roll number and press OK. So now you can see that this is the table, the data I have. So this is one way to see it. Other way is, so I will show you 3 different ways. So the first way is you can directly export using the table. The second way is press Ctrl E, and you can see this is the load script button. So what you can just if you see here on the right hand side, there is a table viewer. Just click this. So now you can click this, so you will get this table name. So now it is you can see this in fed. So this is the table name. So if you just want to give a table name, what you can do is just press just write like table name and just put colon. So this will be the table name. Just press OK and reload it again. So the first way is you can load see the data from the table view. Now you can press Ctrl E, go to this table section, and now you can see the table name is changed. It's table name. Right click it, preview it. Now you can see that this is the data I have. The another way to open this table thing, directly press Ctrl T. So you don't have to press Ctrl E and then go to table view. Directly press Ctrl T. It will do the same task like what you are doing there. It will open the same thing. Right click it, preview it. So if you preview it, it doesn't show all the data, but it is the small data set. That's why it is showing like all the data set. But if it is very huge, it will show like very top 100, top 1000 datas only. So I guess that makes sense to you. And in this video we have learnt about how to use inline function to load your data. In the next video we are going to talk more about different topics the QlikView has. So stay tuned with this playlist. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.